Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an account on realtor.com. So realtor.com is a popular online real estate marketplace that helps connect buyers, sellers, and renters with their perfect homes. In this video, we'll show you how to create an account on Realtor in just a few simple steps. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. It could be like Opera, it could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Brave like me if you're a Mac user Safari, or whatever browser you have on your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to the URL section, simply type realtor.com and here or hit the enter button. That should take you to the home screen or main screen of Realtor websites. And of course, here as you can see, to each their home, let's find a home that's perfect for you. Of course, in this websites, you'll be able to buy, rent, sell, pre-approval, just sold, or home value. And of course, you can enter an address here and you'll be able to see the homes there and the prices of it and if someone is willing to rent or something like that. And as you can see, you'll find a lot of informations if you scroll down. So of course, if you have an account, you can always click at login and here you'll have to enter your email, click on continue, then enter your password. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on sign up and here you'll have to enter an email as an example. So let's just do this together. Here, let's just enter my email at gmail.com and click and continue. And as you can see here, we will have to enter a password. So let's just enter a password. Of course, this password, as you can see, please create a password that includes at least one lowercase characters, one uppercase character, a symbol, and a number. So here, this now follows all the instructions that they ask me to. And of course, if I click here, my password will be visible. So I'm not going to do this in the moment. And of course, you can check this option if you want them to send you the latest news about the real estate and tips to buy or sell properties. So simply click on create password and once you click on it, so let's just wait. As you can see, I'm just going to save at the moment. So I don't have to keep logging in into my account always. When I get here, I'll simply have to use the browser or let the browser do that for me. So here, if I click at my account at the top right corner and click at account settings, as you can see, this will take me to my account right away. So here I can simply add a name, add an address, add phone number, change the profile picture. And here, as you can see, you will have to verify your email address. Simply click on verify an email address. And as you can see, almost done. Email sent to this email. So let me just go and open the email. And as you can see, I find this option. So click on verify your email and they will take me to, as you can see, email address verified. So click on continue. So let me just close this and this. I don't need them anymore. So here, as we said, add name, address, phone number, and my email address is now verified. I can even change my password or reset it. I can get notifications if I want once a day in real time. If I don't want notifications, I can click on no thanks. Send me real estate and moving related update tips, promos, and news from relator or realtor, sorry, realtor.com and move ink. For me, I'm just going to do no because I don't want to. Of course, you can even change here the buyer profile if you are a buyer and collaborate, as you can see, buying or renting with someone else, search together, sharing favorite homes and comments only to can see. So you can start collaborating with another one if you want to start buying or renting with someone else. So once you fit all of this, of course, you'll be kind of good to go. So let's just go back to the home screen here. In here, as you can see, and as we said, you can buy, rent, sell. So let's say an example. I'll just here enter an address, this one as an example, and click on search. Once I click on search, as you can see, I'll find the homes on the area of the address that I sent. Of course, I can connect with an agent simply by entering my full name, email, phone, and are you selling or buying? As an example, I am buying a home or selling or buying a home. So choose whatever suits you here, then click and connect and the this website will connect you to an agent so he can help you do that. Of course, you can do that by your own if you want, if you don't want the agent to take any commissions. Of course, interested in selling in like your home as an example, click on see your selling options if you want. Estimated value of the home, you'll find this here. Of course, it's not real. It could be changed, could change depending on the market now, and a lot of other stuff. Here, as you can see this home have three bedrooms, of course, not a full bath, and 5,329 square feet and the 0.32 acre lots. And of course, this is going to be the address of this building. And as you can see, the property type is a condo town home row home coupe. The building is built in 2005, and of course, it has a garage for 4 cars. So of course, you can edit some facts as an example. You can search or share this home. You can get your home value updates. If you are the owner, you can simply click here. I'm the owner, send me updates. You can claim your home and get an email whenever there is an update to your home value. As you can see, property features, it has 3 bedrooms as we said here, and you can see more here. It has just not a full bath. That's what 1 or zero point 0.5 means. That means just not a full bath. And it has other 8 rooms and interior features. You can read all of this if you are interested by the feature, building and construction, interior and lot features, and garage and parking as we said for, heating and cooling, school informations, other property info, and listing information. So of course, as we said, if you are interested in this place, you can always contact an agent or just ask if you are just interested to ask about homes and etc. You are not willing to buy at the moment, you're just like curious about the place, you can always ask an agent. Or if you are interested on buying or something, or selling or renting, you can contact an agent to help you. But as I said, they will take their commission. If you've done your research and you are good enough, you can do that by your own. So they will not take any commission from you, of course, the agents. So here you can find out how much home and equity you can use. You can connect with the lender as an example. And here there is a property history and nearby schools, elementary, middle, high, and privates. And of course, the neighborhood, the noise level is going to be medium. So they kind of give you all the information you going to need about this address exactly to live, to do whatever you want. So here you can ask an agent again about anything here. The environment risk, the flood factor is extreme, and the fire factor is minimal. So you can even learn more about this address if you want to connect with an agent. They ask you to do that again. And of course, here you'll see the homes around. So that's it. You have successfully, of course, created your account. And I even show you how to use the website, which is Realtor. With your new account, you'll be able to browse, listen, save your favorite homes, and receive notifications when new homes that match your criteria become available. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.